Hi, my name is Shane Lamb and I'm the owner of Green Hills Guitar Studio in Nashville, Tennessee. And I'm really excited to share this new course with you that I designed specifically for the absolute beginner. Learning guitar, like anything else, is a process. But when an instructor doesn't define realistic goals and moves too quickly, the student naturally becomes frustrated and starts feeling like they are failing, that they aren't good enough, or the biggest lie of them all, that they aren't talented enough. And then the student quits. This course is linear and organized. I demonstrate everything slowly and clearly, and I'll teach you just like I would teach a student here at my studio. I've been a professional guitarist and instructor for 30 years. I've taught tens of thousands of guitar lessons, and I know I can teach you how to play guitar. I'm also going to offer you a 100% money-back guarantee. So now it's up to you. There are no magic wands. You have to show up consistently and you have to put in the time. But you'll be surprised at how quickly you will see results. They'll come faster than you think. This course will save you time and it will save you money and you'll learn how to play guitar. So let's get started.